Fill valve adjustment and troubleshooting. If you feel that the water level in your tank is too low or insufficient water, you need to adjust the fill valve. First, we need to remove the static water valve. Remove the fill valve by detaching the toilet's water pipe and all fixing bolts. After removal, pull out the fill valve. On the fill valve side, there is a clip. Loosen the clip to adjust the fill valve body position. The clip is tight, so use a screwdriver to loosen it. Once loosened, the fill valve body can move up and down. The higher the fill valve body, the higher the water level in the tank. The maximum water level should not exceed the refill tube. The water level should ideally be about 1 inch below the highest point of the overflow pipe. Check if the height of the buoy is higher than this position. If it is, push it down slightly. Once the height is appropriate, secure the clip and put it back into the tank. Now, another adjustment method. At the base of the fill valve, there is a clip. Loosening this clip allows a significant height adjustment. Use tweezers to pry it open. Then twist left to adjust the height. Since the HOROW T0338W toilet has a short water tank, the fill valve must not be higher than the tank. Adjust it by pressing it down to align with the tank, allowing a slight protrusion. Rotate right and push the clip up to complete the adjustment. After adjustment, test whether the float rebounds smoothly. If there is no problem, you can put it back in its original position. If there is an issue, adjust the knob to fine-tune the float's force. Since we just adjusted the float height, tweak its rebound force slightly. Finally, secure the fill valve. Hold it with one hand while tightening the fixing nut with the other. If tightening is difficult, use a wrench for assistance. After securing the fill valve, check the water pipe for issues. If everything is fine, place the tank lid back on. Ensure the fill valve is not too high, or it may press against the tank lid.